Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Pick a player that supports variable speed and open the exact video you want to watch. Once loaded, find the speed control in the player menu or use a shortcut if available. This is faster. Make sure your audio output and captions are enabled so you can track comprehension. Begin at 1, 25x if you're unsure, then move to 1, 5x, and finally 2x as you adapt. This gradual approach preserves clarity while saving time. Now you fine-tune playback to balance speed with understanding. Increase speed in small steps: 1, 25x, then 1, 5x, then 2x, so your brain adapts. If speech becomes choppy, enable pitch correction or time stretch to retain natural intonation. Use shortcuts to jump back 5-10 seconds when a concept is dense, and pause for diagrams or formulas so you can scan visual detail. If captions are available, keep them on. They reinforce comprehension at higher speed. To finish, slow playback to 1x when you need to review complex sections, and otherwise continue at 2x to save time while note-taking. If audio stutters or video drops frames, clear the browser cache and lower resolution. Make sure no heavy downloads run in the background. If problems persist, switch to a lighter player or download the file for local 2x playback. One tip: if captions fall out of sync, toggle them off and on to force realignment. That often fixes timing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.